Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is DIY with Regina Manka. So today I'm going to show you how I created this inexpensive leaning mirror that sits on the floor and lean against the wall. If you're ready to see how I put this together, let's get to it. I wanted a really unique style mirror, so I made this one using some black and white kitchen tiles. So the first thing I did for this project was determine the approximate size I wanted the mirror to be and trim the boards accordingly. So I trimmed this to 162 centimeters long and these two pieces to 69.1 centimeters long. I purchased these pieces from SAK Carpentry. This is the location of the warehouse, but the pieces came a little bit long than what I wanted, so I had to trim them to perfect size. For this project, I used a handsaw to trim both plywood for the back of the frame and the two wood pieces. And these two pieces here are 167.2 centimeters long. I don't have a working bench, so I'm going to arrange them down in this order. After that, I'll go ahead and glue the pieces together. So I leave the glue to cure for some time before attaching this wood to the frame. And now I'm gonna use my power drill and screws to attach this piece of wood to the frame. I used as many screws as possible to ensure that the frame is strong enough to hold the weight of the mirror. We are done with that part, guys. Next, I took it outside and spray painted it with a single coat of black spray paint. We're gonna cover the frame with the kitchen tile that I purchased from Abbas glass. The thickness of the frame is 10 centimeters. I'm gonna arrange them down to make sure they fit perfectly on the frame before gluing. This is our last process. I'm going to apply glue on the inner part of the frame. As I said earlier, this is the part that will hold the mirror, so make sure you apply generous amount of glue. Now I'm gonna wipe it clean using a glass cleaner.